Originally, it was made in little tubs in Kerry's back shed, using stockings to squeeze the juice out of the chaff. We've gone from 50 litre buckets to 1,000 litre tanks, then to 3,000 litre tanks, and now we're in a 25,000 litre tank. We were 170 tonne press to get the juice out, yeah.
Sero-X is now a fully registered product. We have a great relationship with the University of Queensland, Institute of Molecular Biology, who understand better than I do the science behind the peptides that make up Sero-X.
Growth Ag had already established that the butterfly pea plant had natural protective abilities and that an extract from that plant, when sprayed onto other crops, could provide protection. But at that stage, they didn't know how that was working, and it was very exciting for us to be able to put a molecular basis on that. And what we've been trying to do is understand how nature has evolved that process and how we can apply that to other plants.
There's the ones that go natural, that's not as strong. We can demonstrate that it can work as well as a synthetic alternative. There's certainly very few organic products that have the same efficacy level that Sero-X has.
Explaining that, making it easy for people to understand, the only way you can do it is actually prove it. And we've spent a very large amount of time proving that what we say we can do, we can do.